mo, ginawa kita ng kanta, okay? I'm going to sing an original song that I wrote a while ago while everybody were busy eating. And the song is about the similarities of Annalie to her siblings, your loving family, okay? Happy birthday again. Always stay healthy and pretty. Para lagi kang happy, okay? Now here's the song for my loving wife. Once again, let's give it up to Mr. Reggie! Now is the song. For my loving wife. Kamukha mo si Mga Inday, lumisanay si Loralie. Ang sabi mo kay Gilbaldo, ang harap mo ay di mong sinapo. Ang iyong boses kay tutubi ko. Pag sumayaw akala mo si Cornelius. At kung gabi parang si Ana, sa umaga ikaw ang ilaw ng bayan. Ay bumabati sa iyong kaarawan. Kaya sa naman ko ay hindi nyo pakinggan. Lagay mo ng iyong kaarawan. Sexy, sexy,
May ganto ka? May ganto ka?
Happy birthday! I would like to thank Miss Julie Valera for my hair and makeup, and Miss Bel Bonifacio for my manicure and pedicure. And the final note is brought to you by Phoenix Corporation. Combined, Phoenix Corporation is the best fitness solution. Happy birthday!